Dali na kayo. Now, let us consider example number 2. 3x squared is equal to 27. Now, observe that x squared has a numerical coefficient of 3. So, kailangan x squared na jud siya class ang mabilin sa left side. So, to eliminate 3 here, we just divide both sides by 3. So, you have here our solution. Okay, we divide both sides by 3. So, 3x squared is equal to 27. Divide both sides by 3. So, makancel si 3. You have x squared is equal to, what is 27 divide 3? And that is equal to 9. So, here, dali na kayo, we extract the square root to both sides of the equation. Okay, we extract the square root. So, mawala ng squared o radical. What we have here, x is equal to positive, negative. What's the square root of 9? You have 3. So, simple na kay class. So, therefore, our solution set are negative 3 and 3. So, take note ha. Basta na yung number tapad ni x squared, dapat mawala siya. So, you divide each term or both sides by that particular number. Dapat x squared na siya mabilin. Okay. Example 3. So, x minus 4 to the power of 2 is equal to 5. Okay. To the power of 2 naman siya. So, we can directly extract the square root, no, to both sides of the equation. So, square root of x minus 4 squared is equal to the square root of 5. So, you have, mawala na po siyang radical of squared. What is left? You have x minus 4 is equal to positive negative square root of 5. Okay? So, since naman kay negative 4 din na, you need to transpose that one to the right side para ma-solve nato si x. So, you have x is equal to 4 copy plus minus square root of 5. So, therefore, our solution set are 4 minus square root of 5 and 4 plus square root of 5. So, dali na kayo siya, no? Dali na kayo siya subton. Okay. Now, let's move on to example number 4. So, you are given 2x squared plus 35 is equal to negative 5x squared. So, kani siya, x squared man siya. So, we need to transpose that one to the right side para mas ma-positive siya, no? Then, ang si 35, constant, ibalin na to sa right side. So, you have here, okay, so 2x squared, ibalin na to si negative 5, so that becomes 5x squared is equal to negative 35. 2 plus 5 is 7. You just copy the variable x squared is equal to negative 35. Okay, as you observe, na ay 7 kang x squared. Doon sige itong buhaton, i-divide na to ang both sides by 7. So, we could cancel 7 because 7 divided 7 is 1. So, you have x squared is equal to, what is negative 35 divided 7? That is negative 5. Okay. So, extract din na itong square root to both sides para ma-solve na to si x. So, this becomes x is equal to positive, negative, and that is equivalent to square root of 5 times square root of negative 1. Sorry, negative 1. Okay, because square root of 5 times square root of negative 1 is negative 5. Now, since we have a negative here, we go back to, we use the imaginary number I is equal to the square root of negative 1. So, it follows that our solution here is x is equal to positive square root of 5i. No? Na I na din siya, nawala si negative. So, therefore, our solution set, pwede na ninyo masulat as negative I5 square root of 5 and I square root of 5. Okay, that's it. Simple ra kay siya. That is how to solve a quadratic equation by extracting the roots. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Next topic is how to solve quadratic equation by completing the square method. Okay.